he said the ribs are tender, man. I want the ribs.
Good.
That's it right there. How much is that?
20.
Yo, I had a craving for barbecue this morning, y'all, so we gonna pull up here in Manny's BBQ over here off of Route 21. We got turkey wings, shrimp. Yeah, I'll get the collard greens then.
Okay. What kind of meat?
I'm gonna get. He said the ribs are tender, man. I want the ribs.
Good.
I want the ribs. Can I get a side of shrimp too? String beans.
Okay.
I'm gonna get some shrimp too, man. The shrimp look good. Is that garlic shrimp?
Yes.
Nice. They got sitting there, man. We gonna sit over there. Manny's. That's it right there. How much is that?
20.
20, okay. All right, y'all, we ready. We got our food right there. We here at Manny's. You got any sauce, Manny? Let's put some on the side. Let me taste that. You know what? Let's put that sauce right there on the side. That look like the sweet barbecue sauce. We'll put that one on the side. I'm gonna have to come out and get some more of that. What's going on, family? We here at Manny's, man, and y'all saw that food, man. It absolutely looks delicious. I'm gonna taste the ribs first. We're gonna move right through this. Eat these ribs first, and let's move through it. The skin on the rib tastes like some nice spices on there. The flavor of this meat is really delicious. It's not fall off the bone ribs. But these are good ribs. Some of y'all don't like fall off the bone ribs. I love fall off the bone ribs. These got a little bite to them. When I say a little bite, I gotta chew it a few times. I don't know, I just like tender ribs, man. I don't like the pull. How about you, brother? You like your ribs to be falling off the bone?
Sometimes.
Yeah. The flavor in these ribs, though, is a bomb. I'm gonna put some sauce on them. Did you say it's like the barbecue ribs you would like have at the barbecue? Huh? Martin Lawrence? You said I remind him of Martin Lawrence. I am Martin Lawrence. All right. Still a lot of chew, man. I'm gonna give it good flavor. It's not as tender as I would like my ribs. All right, let's go into the shrimp. They were garlic shrimp. There's nothing on them. Let's check them out. I like the shrimp. Shrimp need a little hot sauce though. Ooh, that hot sauce is real hot sauce. I like the shrimp. Oh yeah, Manny. His name Manny? So that is Manny behind the counter.
I only had one piece of the rib, y'all, but I want to give the ribs another chance. But we're going into the greens first. Okay. The greens have some stems, but not any long ones. The greens are good. I had some doubts about the greens just looking at them, right? Because you know you eat greens from it. It's not a soul food spot. You be like, is the greens any good? The greens are good. They're tender. They had that little, you know, a little bit of oily taste. I don't know if it's olive oil or what he put in there. Now we're eating the string beans. The greens, the collard greens are really good. The string beans don't taste like any seasoning in them at all. Collard greens have a little piece of potato here. Even the potato's good. I'm going for another rib, y'all. Let's see what we got. All right, I ate a piece of that one. Here we go. I'm gonna dip it in some sauce. That's all serious. Okay, this made up for the first piece. This one's much tenderer than the first one. Much more tender than the first piece. Huh? Shrimp's good, the greens are good. The ribs are really tasty. The good flavor is delicious in the ribs. It's just, you know, it's just a little too tough for me. The flavor is, I give the flavor a 9. I give the pull on it, man, a 5. I don't like my ribs too tough. And I know some of the subscribers, they be like, they like pull on their ribs, but I don't like sitting here chewing. See? And there's different sections of it. This piece also is more tender.
Hey, first of all, y'all, big up to Richard who gave me this hoodie, this sweater, unlimited edition. He runs a company called swagspotclothingco.com. Check him out. I also put the information up here. Thanks, Richie, for giving me this sweater, this hoodie, man. I just got a little shirt under it right now, and it's really warm, man. It's cold outside. Now, let's talk about Mannys, right? You know, I really wasn't a happy camper here, man. The food looked way better than it tasted. The food looked better than my experience, put it that way. Because the ribs taste delicious, but to me, it was too hard. You know, yeah. I mean, I don't want to go back and forth and keep repeating that. Some of y'all be like, yo, I like my ribs to be hard and with a big pull. I like my ribs to be tender, period. Falling off the bone is great, but I like them to be tender. You know, and when he cooked it, you can tell he cooked it real hard on one side, you know, and that's the hard side. Of course, the ribs are meaty on one side. I just wasn't a happy camper here. If I was to give them a score, I like the shrimp. I enjoyed the shrimp. The collard greens was probably the best thing on the plate. I would give Manny's, for what I had, I would give him a number 5. You know, people are coming in and out of here. I just asked the brother what he get. He said he loves the chicken. Maybe I should have got the chicken. I didn't. I got the ribs. That's my review. On to the next one. Nobody told you they love you today. You hang with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Peace. Look at the train back there. The train.